So right now we're going to practice typing into your equation builder. We're going to first type this x squared minus 4x minus 5 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. So typically you have this x squared button right here. If you just need to make an exponent, that button's fine. Otherwise, we're going to be using the f of x key all the way to the right over here, this math quill. Now when we get in there, when I say type the slash button or the divided by button, I mean that sign right there, that divided by key. It's the same one that has the question mark. That's what's going to create fractions. Okay. So we're going to click that f of x key and make sure your cursor is in there so that everything you type is already in there. And now we're going to hit that divided by button, that slash button, the same button that has the question mark on it. And it's going to create that fraction for us. So now we're going to type in the x squared minus 4x minus 5 in the numerator. So you do x. Now to get the squared, you're going to use this exponent key and type a 2. Right now, everything else you type will stay in the exponent. So to get out of the exponent, you click the right arrow, and then you do the minus 4x minus 5. Then you click in the denominator and type your x squared, so x to the second power, same way. Then click the right arrow, then you do the plus 5x plus 6. So now right here, it is exactly what we want. When you click done, it's going to show up here in a coded way. What it does is it codes your answer so that when you press submit, it will look like this. It's okay if you have this. It's totally fine. Don't freak out. And if you go back and click the f of x button again, if you highlight this, and then click the f of x button again, it'll show you how it's going to come up. So it's exactly the way we need to look at it. We did what we needed to do.